Alright, so in today's video, we're going to write an algorithm that checks if a given number x is a palindrome or not. So what is a palindrome number? So it's an integer that reads the same forward and backward. For example, 121 is a palindrome while 123 is not. So let's look at the examples. 122, if it's a palindrome, we return true, because 122 reads as 122 from left to right and from right to left. So notice that if it's negative, we return false because the negative sign comes at the back, so therefore they don't read the same. In the code editor, let's check if the number x is less than 0. If it's less than 0, we return false. Otherwise, let's declare a variable called rev, short for reverse. We use this string built-in method on x. So after we use this method, the x, so let's say the x was 1, 2, 3, right? So after we use the string method, it becomes a string 1, 2, 3. So on the string 1, 2, 3, let's split them using the split built-in method. So after we use split on our string, this string becomes an array that has 1, 2, and 3, like so. So on the array, we're going to have to use the built-in reverse method to reverse the array. So once we use this method, the array becomes 3, 2, and 1. So we're going to have to join them back together. So we use the built-in join method. So after we join them, the array becomes 3, 2, 1 as a string. So we're going to have to make it back to an integer, a number. So we're going to have to use this number built-in method. So we're going to have to put this whole thing in the brackets. So wrap this whole thing in brackets and number. So we got our number x, but it reversed in this rev variable. So let's check if rev equals our original integer x. We're going to return true because they're the same. They reads the same from right to left and from left to right. So otherwise, we return false. So let's run this code. Yeah, so it works. On 10, we return false, and on negative, we return false, and 122, true. So that's how you use this simple function to check if an integer is a palindrome or not. Thank you for watching, so I'll see you on the next video.